I'm fairly certain almost all of you have seen a bike like this. And as you may know, the most important part of a bike is its frame. In this case, and in most other cases, the frame is simply steel pipes welded together at certain angles, as you can see here, to create the frame. Well, for my thesis, I set out to find if there's maybe a better way or a different way to produce these bike frames that might have advantages over the common frames. The solution turned out to be 3D printing. By 3D printing a frame like this, the shape is no longer constrained by having tubes which have to be oriented to each other or welded together at certain angles. With 3D printing, there is full freedom in how the frame looks. For example, computer generated organic shapes, which are as strong as possible while still being light, and the full frame can be customized to my size and my weight. So this frame is only as strong as it needs to be. It only uses as much material as is necessary for me. And still, it remains rideable, even though this frame is made from PLA. The frame was 3D printed on the 3D printer that you can see here. It uses a 1 mm nozzle because my focus was not on printing detailed parts, but rather printing large parts as fast as possible. A further advantage of using a bigger nozzle is that the parts also turn out stronger.